The first tangible look at the iPhone 17 lineup has finally arrived, giving us a clearer understanding of the design changes that set it apart from the iPhone 16 series. A new hands-on video featuring iPhone 17 family molds has surfaced online, offering a direct comparison to its predecessor. This video, originating from YouTuber iDeviceHelp and well-known leaker ImagineBue, showcases dummy units created based on internal Apple documents. These molds provide a glimpse into what could be one of the most radical iPhone redesigns in years. For the past few generations, Apple has largely stuck to a familiar aesthetic, making only minor refinements to the iPhone's design. The most notable changes in recent years included the introduction of Dynamic Island, camera improvements, and minor tweaks like the Action button. However, with the iPhone 17 series, it seems Apple is embracing a more dramatic shift in form factor, materials, and functionality. A new era for iPhones. Major changes across the board. The iPhone 17 lineup is expected to introduce several major design refinements, making it one of Apple's most anticipated releases in recent history. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, which is set to replace the Plus model. This marks the first time since the iPhone 6 Plus that Apple is entirely dropping the Plus branding in favor of a new name. iPhone 17 Air, a game-changer in thinness. According to the leaked video, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a horizontal camera bar for its rear cameras. This aligns with previous leaks, but the most eye-catching detail is its incredibly thin profile. At just 5.88 millimeters, 0.22 inches, thick, it is one of the slimmest iPhones in recent history, rivaling even the ultra-thin iPad Pro models. This sleek and lightweight design could be Apple's attempt to create an iPhone that prioritizes portability and ergonomics, appealing to users who prefer thinner and more compact devices. However, one major concern with this design is battery life. Apple will need to innovate in battery technology to maintain all-day usage without sacrificing performance. Pro models, a camera and design overhaul. Moving on to the iPhone 17 Pro models, they appear to retain the same general camera layout, but with a noticeable difference: a large camera tray on the back. The hands-on video reveals that the flash, microphone, and LiDAR scanner have all been repositioned towards the far right. This change may indicate internal restructuring aimed at improving computational photography, augmented reality, AR, or even video recording capabilities. A bulkier iPhone 17 Pro Max. Leaker Ice Universe has also shared some intriguing details about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, revealing that it will be thicker than its predecessor. Currently, the iPhone 16 Pro Max measures 8.25 millimeters, 0.32 inches, thick, but the upcoming model is expected to increase to 8.63 millimeters, 0.34 inches, a more than 6% increase in thickness. This increase is likely due to a larger battery. More thickness allows for greater battery capacity, possibly bringing even better screen-on time. Improved heat dissipation. The thicker chassis could help with better thermal management, which is crucial for performance-heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Are display sizes becoming uniform? There is still some uncertainty regarding the exact dimensions of the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Some reports suggest that both devices might share the same display size, length, width, and bezels, but this remains unconfirmed. If true, this could indicate that Apple is streamlining its device sizes, making it easier for consumers to choose based on features rather than form factor. A more consistent lineup would simplify Apple's product offerings and reduce manufacturing complexity. Material upgrades, aluminum frames across the lineup. Another exciting rumored change is Apple's decision to introduce aluminum frames across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. In the past, Apple reserved stainless steel or titanium for Pro models, while base models used aluminum. However, moving all models to aluminum may signal a shift toward lighter weight devices without compromising durability. Improved heat dissipation for better long-term performance. More sustainable and recyclable materials. This change aligns with Apple's broader sustainability efforts, as aluminum is easier to recycle compared to materials like stainless steel. Other notable hardware upgrades. Beyond design, the iPhone 17 series is expected to feature several hardware upgrades that could make this one of Apple's most exciting launches. 1. Performance boost with A19 chip. Apple's A19 Bionic chip is rumored to power the iPhone 17 Pro models, while the standard models may receive an A18 chip. These upgrades are expected to bring better power efficiency for longer battery life, enhanced GPU performance for gaming and pro applications, AI-driven optimizations to improve photography, voice recognition, and other smart features. 2. New camera capabilities. The iPhone 17 lineup is expected to introduce significant camera upgrades, particularly for the Pro models. The Pro Max may feature an improved periscope zoom lens for better telephoto photography. Low-light performance could see major improvements, thanks to larger sensors and new AI-driven enhancements. Cinematic mode upgrades could make video recording even more professional-grade. 3. Battery life and charging enhancements. Apple is rumored to be working on better battery technology, possibly incorporating stacked battery designs seen in electric vehicles. This could allow for higher energy density, meaning more battery life without increasing size. Better longevity, ensuring the battery holds its capacity longer over years of use. Faster charging speeds, potentially allowing an iPhone to charge 50% in under 20 minutes. What's next? As we get closer to the official launch, more details will likely emerge. Whether it's refinements, new color options, or hidden features, Apple undoubtedly has surprises in store. Here are some key questions that remain unanswered. Will Apple introduce under-display Face ID technology? What new AI-powered features will enhance the user experience? Will USB-C charging speeds be improved over the iPhone 15 series? Apple's next big event will likely shed light on these questions, and fans are eagerly awaiting the company's official announcements. Final thoughts: a bold step for Apple. The iPhone 17 series represents one of the biggest shifts in design and functionality in years. Apple appears to be focusing on making its devices thinner, more ergonomic, and more powerful, while also refining battery technology and camera systems. With the introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, Apple is making a bold move by replacing the Plus model, while also shifting to a horizontal camera layout for the first time in modern iPhone history. Meanwhile, the Pro models continue to push boundaries, potentially offering the most powerful iPhone cameras yet. The increase in thickness for the Pro Max hints at Apple's commitment to longer battery life and better thermal management, while the shift to aluminum frames signals a focus on sustainability and durability. As the official announcement draws closer, we'll continue to track every new development. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the iPhone 17's official reveal. About the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max. A new wave of leaks has surfaced, offering fresh insights into the dimensions of the upcoming iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max sourced from a well-known industry insider. These leaks highlight striking similarities between the two models, making them nearly identical at first glance. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to closely resemble the iPhone 17 Pro Max in terms of length, width, screen size, and even bezel thickness. However, the defining difference is its ultra-slim design. Both devices will reportedly maintain the same dimensions as the iPhone 16 Pro Max, meaning no significant changes in display size or bezel thickness. This may disappoint users hoping for a more compact or edge-to-edge display experience. Yet, the real game-changer lies in the thickness of the devices. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to be 8.72 mm thick, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be significantly thinner, measuring just 5.5 mm. A previous leak suggested a 5.44 mm thickness, aligning closely with this new information. For context, the iPhone 16 Pro Max